Problem not dey finish once in a while, just take your ATM, go to a nice restaurant or a local joint, enjoy yourself use your last card, because with the present state of Nigeria, if you just dey put problem for mind, person go dey develop high BP every day. So over the weekend, I went to the village to visit my grandmother, and on our way back from farm, we saw a farmer coming back with this guinea fowl. She asked if I would love it, and I said yes, of course. So she bought it for me. You won't believe how much she bought this guinea fowl. She got it for 2,000 naira. I was like, what? 2,000 for this? Where I came from, this will go on for nothing less than 6,000 to 7,000 naira. And of course, now she sharp girl where I be now. Now I go to kitchen now, start preparing it. Let's prepare this guinea fowl together. So the first thing I do was to boil hot water and pour on the guinea fowl to remove the feather. So it's just like your normal chicken. Anything you do to your chicken, that's what you are going to do to it. Pull out the feather one by one until you are sure it is very clean. So after you are through with this process, the next thing to do is to take the guinea fowl to your fire source. You know, there are still some tiny feathers, so you just have to burn that up. So when all the tiny feathers are burnt, then the next thing again is to wash it out, okay? Rinse it out with a clean water, as you can see me doing in the video. This will help to remove any sand or any impurity. So the next thing to do now is to cut the tiny legs away. No, this legs has no value because it doesn't contain any meat, unlike chicken feet that contain some flesh. This one is as tiny as broomstick, so just throw it away. Then the next thing is to cut open the stomach of the meat, move out the internal organs. Forgive me, I ought to have removed that part you are seeing that is stores food before now. It will nobody's above mistake. Me where they kill cow, I call small guinea fowl no fit kill, abeg forgive me. I will show you how I kill the cow Sunday, but not be today. May not be like say I dey show myself. It now tell you that guinea fowl are so common here that even on our way coming, I try to catch one or two. I asked grandma, why is it so common here unlike other places? She said during the time when the guinea fowl are laying, they normally lay in farms or fields. The farmers usually go there to pack the eggs and give it to a hen to hatch it for them, and by so doing it can grow like every other fowl. So guinea fowl can be both wide and domestic. So I cut it open and dissect all the dissectables, but I did not pieces it on this day because we just want to smoke it and keep it for a later use. Okay, so I remove all the spleen, the intestine, and the whatever. Let's say it's also a butcher. If you have any special occasion and it comes to butchering, abeg don't forget to invite me. So when I'm done with cutting off everything, the next thing I do was just to wash everything up. I have to it very well, and the next thing after that is to take it to fire and let's get cooking. So into a pot, place your already washed and cleaned guinea fowl and season it with whatever you have. On this day, I was limited to the use of salt, onion, seasoning cubes, some thyme, and also garlic, okay, which I added to it. I also added some roughly blended pepper to give this spiciness. Add some thyme too for extra taste and flavor. It is necessary. The kind of seasoning you add to your chicken is what we add to this guinea fowl, okay? So I use my hand to turn it and massage everything so that all the ingredients can just go into the guinea fowl and marinate it and make the taste pop out. So when done with the seasoning, I allow it sit for about 30 minutes so that all the seasoning can go into the guinea fowl, okay? So after that, I took it to my fire and I cook it for about 30 minutes on one side and later flip to the other side for another 30 minutes so that all the ingredients, all the salt and everything can be able to penetrate deeply before smoking our guinea fowl. So now that the meat is well cooked, the next thing to do is to smoke the meat. So I use a special net which our mothers used to store meat from rats and cats, which you are about to see in the video. If you are used to village life, you will know about this net. Okay, so if you are new here, you are welcome, and to my returning subscribers, thank you very much. If you haven't subscribed, kindly do, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell, because I will be dropping new videos every week. Until next week when I come again with another beautiful and interesting video, stay blessed and bye.